Okay, we are going to discuss these answers. These are all the answers in our fourth lesson, agriculture in Sri Lanka. අපි දැන් මේ agriculture in Sri Lanka lesson එක complete කරපු නිසා ඒකෙන් past papers වලට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන questions තමයි discuss කරන්නේ. First question, here question number 6. මේ paper එකේ question number 6 තමයි මේ agriculture in Sri Lanka question එක ඇවිත් තියෙන්නේ. Sri Lanka has an agricultural economy from ancient time. From ancient time. What is the first question? What is the first question? Room number 1. Write 2 districts in the dry zone that abundantly grown paddy. So paddy cultivation බහුලව සිද්ධ වෙන district දෙකක් අපි ලියන්න ඕනේ. Write 2 districts in the dry zone that paddy cultivation grown abundantly. What are the 2 districts? What are the 2 districts? Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa. Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa. Question number, room number 2, part A. Where is the Coconut Research Institute located? Coconut Research Institute located. Where is the coconut? Mangpa coconut cultivation වලට ලුණු අවශ්‍යයි. ඔන්න ඕකෙන් මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ. Coconut, where is the Coconut Research Institute located? Lunuvilla. 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 You write down the answers. ලියලා තියෙන ලකුණු දාගන්න. Lunuvilla. B. Part B. Write 2 physical factors that are favorable for coconut cultivation in Sri Lanka. Write 2 physical factors. දැන් මේ coconut cultivation එකට අවශ්‍ය physical factors තමයි අපි ලියන්න ඕනේ. Write 2 physical factors. What are the physical factors? Coconut cultivation එකට අවශ්‍ය physical factors. What are the physical factors? Did you write answers for that question? ඔයගොල්ලෝ උත්තර ලියලා බලන්න තියෙන්නේ? Tell me your answers. What are the physical factors which necessary for coconut cultivation? Meshani, did you write answers? Annual rainfall between 2,000 millimeters to 2,500 millimeters. Annual rainfall. Annual rainfall between.
Annual rainfall.
Yes, annual rainfall between 2,000 millimeters to 2,500 millimeters. 2,000 millimeters to 2,500 millimeters. As well as temperature. Average temperature between.
Annual rainfall.
Yes, we have to write down the average temperature between 27 Celsius to 20 Celsius degrees to 27 Celsius degrees. ප්‍රමාණය ලියන්න ඕනි පුතේ. rainfall කියලා විතරක් ලියලා බෑ. Average temperature between 20 Celsius degrees to 27 Celsius degrees. Soil, which type of soil is suitable for this cultivation? Sandy soil and undulating land. Saline and sandy soil. Sandy soil and undulating lands. Salt mix sandy soil. Valley මේ ලුණු මිශ්‍ර වැලි පස තමයි මේ ඒ වගේම undulating land highland area එකක් නෙමෙයි. රැලි බිම් ප්‍රදේශ තමයි මේ cultivation එකට භාවිතා කරන්නේ undulating land. As well as these are called as physical factors. We can write down the labor also. Availability of labor, availability of local and foreign market also we can write down. Okay. Especially we can write down temperature, rainfall and soil. temperature should be 20 Celsius to 27 Celsius degrees. Annual rainfall between 2000 millimeters to 2500 millimeters, as well as soil. Salt mixed in sandy soil and undulating land. Okay, next question, row number 2. Row number 3, part A. Write 2 advantages of supplying of Sri Lankan vegetable and fruit to the local and foreign market. Write 2 advantages. Write 2 advantages. Vasiliandoni api neda. Write 2 advantages of supplying Sri Lankan vegetables and fruits to the local and foreign market. විදේශ වෙළඳපොළට දේශීය වෙළඳපොළට ශ්‍රී ලංකන් fruits ඉදිරිපත් කිරීමෙන් ලැබෙන වාසි. වෙළඳපොළට ඉදිරිපත් කිරීමෙන් අපිට ලැබෙන වාසි. What are the benefits? What are the advantages? Foreign market එකට මේ දේවල් ලබා දීමෙන් අපිට මොනවාද ලැබෙන්නේ? Foreign market එකට මේ දේවල් ලබා දීමෙන් අපිට මොනවාද ලැබෙන්නේ? Foreign exchange. We can receive foreign exchange. අපිට විදේශ විනිමය උපයන්න පුළුවන්. We can receive foreign exchange. විදේශ විනිමය. විදේශ විනිමය, foreign exchange. What are the other factors? What are the other advantages? Job opportunities. Create job opportunities. රැකියා අවස්ථා මේ තුලින් බිහි වෙනවා. Create job opportunities as well as use new technology. අලුත් තාක්ෂණය මේවට භාවිතා කරන්න හැකි වෙනවා. These are the advantages. තවත් මොනවාද? Do you have any other answers? Do you have another answers? ඔයාලා වෙනත් උත්තර ලියලා තියෙනම් කියන්න. What are the other advantages? What are the other advantages? තවත් වෙනත් answers ලියලා තියද? Local consumption නේද? vegetable දැන් මේක අහන්නේ වෙළඳපළට ඉදිරිපත් කිරීමෙන් ලැබෙන වාසියනේ. Right to advantages of supplying Sri Lankan vegetable and fruits to local and foreign markets. Foreign market එකට යැවීමෙන් අපිට we can earn foreign exchange as well as we can save foreign exchange. මේ local market එකට යැවීමෙන් අපි විදේශයෙන් පළතුරු ගෙන්න ගන්න එක වළක්වා ගන්න පුළුවන්. We can save foreign exchange as well as it is suitable for local consumption. දේශීය පරිභෝජනයට ඒක හොඳ වෙනවා. සුදුසු වෙනවා. As well as employment opportunities also you can write down. B. From number 3, B. Explain the use and advantage of dairy farming in Sri Lanka using 3 facts. Dairy farm in Sri Lanka. මොනවාද මේ dairy farm වලින් අපිට ලැබෙන වාසි? Dairy farm. කිරි ගව පාලනය මගින්. Explain the use and advantages of dairy farming in Sri Lanka using 3 facts. What are the facts? කිරි ගව පාලනයෙන් අපිට තියෙන වාසි මොනවාද? increase the nutritional level. අපේ පෝෂණ මට්ටම ඉහළ යනවා. Increase the nutritional level. As well as create job opportunities. මේ dairy farms වල රැකියා අවස්ථා බොහෝමයක්ම මේ තුලින් ඇති වෙනවා නේද? Production, distribution, and selling these items. In these fields, there are job opportunities. So, create job opportunities in this field. What are the other uses? What are the other uses? What are the other uses? Use fertilizers. We can take fertilizers for cultivations. We can take fertilizers for cultivations. As well as dairy farming is an extra income. අමතර ආදායමක් පවුලකට ගෙදර කීරිගාව ඇති කරනවා නම් ඒ තුලින් මොකද වෙන්නේ? It is a extra income to a family. Extra income. As well as it helps to increase the nutritional level of the family. You can explain these 3 points. Increase the nutritional level, then you explain this point, as well as create job opportunities. Then you can write down, use fertilizer, extra income. Okay, you explain these points. Okay, then you write down next question. I have sent you next question also in another paper. You write down answer for that question. මම WhatsApp එකට ඊගාව question එකක් දැන් ඔයගලන්ට එවලා තියෙන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒකටත් answer කරන්න. Now you write down answer for that question.